Hello everyone and welcome to 25 Kirkwall Avenue in Castle Hill. This is a home that's quite the surprise package. Capturing panoramic Blue Mountain views, this contemporary dual-level residence delivers an exceptional lifestyle with all of the convenience. Light-filled interiors showing high ceilings, multi-zone living areas are anchored by a sleek stone-crafted kitchen. A tiered, purpose-built home theatre room and upper rumpus add to the versatility. Not to mention the addition of an ensuite to 4 out of the 5 generous bedrooms. Impeccably finished with meticulous attention to detail, it offers luxury living nestled in a fabulous family-friendly setting. And it could all be yours. I'm Karen Dangola from Stone Real Estate. You care about finding the right home for you and your family, and we're here to help you on your property journey. We look forward to seeing you soon.